Hi everybody, it's Katie. I just wanted to have a quick chat with you about how to manage and store your information online, because I think that's a really important place to start before you get into the nitty-gritty of frolicking through the internet. So I'd like to give you some tips and tricks on how to keep track of your information online and how to find it again later. I'm going to recommend a few services that you can use, and feel free to find your own service or find the one that works for how you work. Each one's different, each one works on Apple or Android or Mac, and find the service that works the best for you, and your facilitator can make some recommendations for you. So the first tip that I have to offer to you is use the cloud. So the cloud means that you're storing your information online in the internet rather than on a specific computer or specific device. I started using the cloud to keep track of my files when I would forget my USB drive at home every day without fail. So as long as you have internet access, and that's the only caveat, is that you need internet access to access your files, you will be able to work on them as long as you have a computer or a tablet or a phone. So some services that are quite popular for using in the cloud are Google Drive, Dropbox, or for Apple users, the iCloud. The other tip I have is to use a bookmarking service to keep track of websites that you'll want to come back to. Trolling through the web is great, but if you forget what you've seen and you don't remember what website is on, it can be a real pain because you can't find it again. Services like Delicious, Digo, Bitly, and Twitter are really useful for storing your information. You can also use these services to share what you find with other people and follow people whose links you think are interesting. My third tip is to use tags and categories. The services I just mentioned, like Delicious and Twitter, rely on tags to sort the information that you find. So tags are just like keywords that you add to keep track of the point of the document that you're trying to save. So for an example, this video would probably be saved with tags like data management, Twitter, Delicious, the cloud. Using tags can help you find things again after you save them. My fourth piece of advice is to choose one system or one service and stick with it. If you use one service for one thing and you use another for other links, it's really hard to keep track of your information. So the key is to find a service that you like and stick with it. If you start using one and then change your mind, you can always import your files to the new service. My fourth and final piece of advice is to install the app or software on all your devices. That way you can store things in the cloud from your tablet, from your mobile phone, or from your computer as you find them, and you can access them on any other device. So if you tweet a link on your computer, on your Twitter app on your phone, you can find it again. Now you'll need to join one of these services so that you can save the resources that you'll need for this course. Your facilitators can help you find the service that's right for you. Let us know what service you chose to go with and if it worked for you. Thanks everyone!